Hunter's Kitchen.
Welcome to Cooking with Hunter.
And friends.
Today,
And friends.
no, they're useless. Today, we're gonna be making a stew with just what you can find in your kitchen. You see, just this tiny bit of syrup. Just a little bit. You don't need that much because it's not gonna be influencing the flavor that much. We got ourselves a butternut squash. I thought we might add some cranberry and orange cupcakes, just for fun. We got a fly swatter in here, and that'll really spice up the flavor. We got some Ajax, because you want to get that little bitterness. You want to.
We got the citrus flavor because we're fancy.
And then we got the cranberry. It's upside down.
It's okay though.
We're just gonna move on. I don't know where this came from. I don't remember asking him to put this on the table. I don't know what this is. So anyway, you take about this much water.
Wait, you forgot the ramen.
Oh yeah, we've got a bag of
Ramen.
Maruchan ramen noodles.
And of course.
Chicken flavor. And to begin the stew, you take about this much water and you put it in the pot. All right. Now this is a very important step, as we have to get just enough water to keep the ingredients whole.
We have the sun over here making a special feature.
Oh yes.
Oh jeez.
Oh Jesus.
All right. Welcome to Hector's Kitchen. Now you take the squash.
And apparently.
You take the squash and you place it in the pot. That's it.
That's it.
You don't have to squish it. You don't gotta cut it. Nothing. Then you take the syrup.
Why the hell is this in the sink?
You didn't just wash it.
What in the hell is going on?
Then you take the syrup and you place it. You don't need to do much with this recipe. It doesn't take a whole lot of skill, because all you're doing is taking the syrup and placing it in the pot. That's it, okay?
Flavor.
And now we take the ramen. Good old ramen. You don't have to open the bag, you don't gotta squish the noodles, you ain't gotta take that little spice packet out. You just take the ramen and you place it in the pot.
What?
In the pot. Okay? You have to do this all carefully, because you don't want these ingredients to mix. Because cranberry sauce and fucking...
Oh jeez.
Oh Jesus.
Well, this
Cranberry
is
sauce and heated syrup can create a gas that'll kill everybody in this room.
Oh God.
Look,
So,
This is
we're
what
just
mine
gonna
is.
put this on the opposite side of the pot. Alright?
Noted.
Now we take the Ajax Extra Strength Citrus.
Because we're fancy.
Because we're fancy. Does that shit smell good? And then we take it and you place it on the side. Okay? It doesn't have to be real close. You ain't gonna do a whole lot of work. You just gotta... right there.
The flavor just goes right in.
Half the taste is in the smell. Now, you take a single saltine cracker.
This
No
looks
salt.
like a prune.
Oh,
This looks like a
I thought I
moldy
asked for
prune.
saltine crackers.
This looks like a
I mean, it's still
moldy
technically saltine, so just don't have any salt on it.
There's no salt.
Insalted.
This is useless. Now, you take a... maybe the dog bowl. Anyway, so you take a single cranberry...
Orange muffin.
orange muffin. Cupcake. Mini cupcake.
Oh, it's a cupcake. Oh, didn't taste like one.
Now the squash hasn't been in here long enough, alright? So we take the squash out, okay? Look at that. Doesn't it look beautiful? And now, you take a single cranberry orange cupcake.
No.
You peel off the wrapper.
Watch.
You take off the wrapper, and you toss it in the pot.
Whatever works.
Now,
Hello?
this is very important, because
Apparently we're running out of time.
Meme.
now we're low on time. So, I'm gonna take out one that I made earlier. This is what you're looking for. At the end, it will look just like this.
Noted.
And this has been
It's
Cooking with
nice.
Hunter and these fucks. Now, have a nice day. It's been a pleasure cooking with you. Sayonara.